Hi, I'm Victoria, and I'm a learning specialist at the McLaughlin Library. If you're finding that you're having a hard time adjusting to this new online learning that's happening, we can help you figure out a plan to move forward. A really helpful strategy is to manage your time. So block out time for those courses to watch your lectures or attend seminars or attend your lectures, just as you would in a face-to-face class. Scheduling can be a really difficult thing, especially if you're not used to doing it. But it's also really important because it lets you get a sense of how busy you're going to be at different points in the semester. Some great resources that the library offers related to time management are things like the 4-month calendar that's available online through the library website. There's also lots of great videos and library guides available through the website as well. We run workshops like Control Academic Stress that can help you with things like planning and prioritizing your time.